Welcome back to my channel, The Coin Spot. Today is best top 3 coins, one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United States coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. Top 1. The 2017 Italian 5 euro cent coin is a small yet significant piece of modern Italian numismatics, combining practical utility with artistic and historical symbolism. As part of the euro currency system, the Italian version of the 5-cent coin features a distinctive national design on the reverse side, while sharing a common face with all other Eurozone 5-cent coins on the obverse. This makes the coin both a standardized medium of exchange across the European Union and a vessel of national identity for Italy. Issued by the Italian Mint, Istituto Poligrafico e Zecca dello Stato, the 2017 edition of the 5-cent coin reflects both high-quality minting standards and a continuation of Italy's rich tradition in coin design and symbolism. The reverse of the 2017 Italian 5 euro cent coin displays an image of the Colosseum, in Rome, one of Italy's most iconic and enduring architectural landmarks. This choice reflects Italy's vast contributions to world heritage, art, and history. The Colosseum, an ancient amphitheater built during the Roman Empire under the Flavian emperors, symbolizes Rome's historical grandeur and its influence on Western civilization. Surrounding the image is a border of 12 stars, symbolizing the European Union. Below the image is the monogram RI, standing for Repubblica Italiana, which identifies the coin as Italian. Additionally, the initials of the designer, Luciana de Simoni, appear subtly to the right of the Colosseum, marking the artist's contribution to the national face of the coin on the obverse side, which is common to all Eurozone 5-cent coins regardless of country. The coin features a globe highlighting Europe in relation to Africa and Asia. This side was designed by Luc Louix of the Royal Belgian Mint. It includes the inscription 5 euro cent, with fine lines radiating from the globe, giving the appearance of a starburst that unites the coin's symbolic representation of global commerce and European unity. The design's intent is to highlight the importance of the euro as a global currency and the interconnectedness of European markets and people. Physical characteristics. The Italian 5-cent euro coin of 2017 is made from copper-covered steel, giving it a reddish appearance and magnetic properties due to its steel core. The coin is relatively small, with a diameter of 21.25 millimeters, a thickness of 1.67 millimeters, and a mass of 3.92 grams. Its edge is smooth, differing from larger denomination coins in the euro system that may have milled or segmented edges. The coin's composition and lightweight design make it both cost-effective to produce and easy to distinguish among other coins by touch. Mintage and circulation. As part of the regular currency issuance, the 2017 Italian 5-cent coin was minted for circulation rather than being a collector's item or commemorative edition. Millions of these coins were produced to meet the day-to-day transactional needs of the Italian public and the broader Eurozone economy. While exact mintage figures for each year can vary, coins such as this typically see production in the tens or hundreds of millions, especially for widely circulated denominations like the 5-cent coin. The Italian Mint ensures quality and consistency in its production, and each coin goes through rigorous checks for weight, diameter, and design accuracy. Legal tender and usage. Like all euro coins, the 2017 Italian 5-cent coin is legal tender not only in Italy but throughout the entire Eurozone, which consists of 20 EU member states that have adopted the euro as their official currency. This means the coin can be used in daily transactions across countries such as France, Germany, Spain, the Netherlands, and others without the need for exchange. The euro cent coins are especially useful in small purchases and are essential in exact change transactions, vending machines, parking meters, and public transport systems. Collectability and value. From a collector's perspective, the 2017 5 euro cent coin from Italy is generally not considered rare or highly valuable due to its large mintage and circulation. However, uncirculated or proof versions which may have been struck for collector sets by the Italian Mint can hold a small premium above face value. Coins in mint condition, graded as MS mint state, may be of interest to numismatists building full euro coin sets from each country and year. Over time, if specific mint errors or low mintage years are identified, such variants can become more valuable in the collector's market. Cultural and economic context. The euro was introduced in physical form in 2002, and since then, euro coins have served as a tool of economic integration and cultural representation. Each country in the Eurozone was allowed to choose its own designs for the national side of the coins, leading to a diversity of artistic expressions that reflect national pride. Italy, in particular, chose designs that pay tribute to its vast contributions to world history, from architecture to art and literature. The Colosseum on the 5-cent coin aligns with other Italian coin designs, such as Leonardo da Vinci's Vitruvian Man on the €1 coin and Botticelli's Birth of Venus on the 10-cent coin. In this way, Italy's euro coins serve as miniature ambassadors of its cultural heritage. Summary. In conclusion, the 2017 Italian €5 coin is a small but rich artifact of modern European currency, embodying the fusion of functionality, national identity, and artistic expression. It reflects Italy's pride in its historical and cultural legacy through the iconic image of the Colosseum while adhering to the Eurozone's standardized monetary system. Though commonplace in daily life, coins like this offer insight into the broader narrative of European unity and the preservation of national heritage within a shared economic space. Whether viewed through the lens of numismatics, design, or simple economic utility, the Italian 5-cent euro coin of 2017 holds enduring value far beyond its modest face value. Top 2. The 2010 Italy €5 coin is a small denomination coin that plays a significant role in Italy's modern monetary system, while also serving as a miniature symbol of the country's vast historical and cultural legacy. As part of the euro currency family, this coin is legal tender not just in Italy but across the entire Eurozone. While it is often overlooked due to its low face value, the 5-cent coin, especially Italy's version, carries immense symbolic meaning. Italy adopted the euro as its official currency in 2002, replacing the lira, and each euro coin features one shared side common to all countries, and one national side that reflects the heritage of the issuing nation. The 2010 Italian 5-cent coin falls within this framework, combining modern European economic unity with uniquely Italian artistry and identity design, a monument to history. The national side of the 2010 5-cent coin features a detailed engraving of the Colosseum, one of Italy's most iconic and historically significant structures. The Colosseum, located in Rome, is a grand amphitheater constructed during the Roman Empire under the Flavian dynasty, dating back to the 1st century AD. Known for its impressive scale and architectural complexity, it is a testament to Roman engineering and the grandeur of ancient Roman culture. By choosing the Colosseum for this coin, Italy pays tribute to its ancient roots, symbolizing both its rich past and its continued cultural relevance. The image is accompanied by a circle of 12 stars, which represent the European Union, symbolizing unity, solidarity, and harmony among the peoples of Europe. The initials RI, short for Repubblica Italiana, are inscribed on the left side of the Colosseum, confirming the coin's national identity. Just to the right of the Colosseum are the initials LDS, which stand for Luciana da Simone, the artist who designed this side of the coin. Beneath the structure is the date of issue, 2010, engraved in small but legible text. The entire design is rich in symbolism, merging the idea of a shared European economy with the uniqueness of Italian history and architecture. Common side, a European identity. The reverse side of the coin, shared by all Eurozone countries, was designed by Luc Louix of the Royal Belgian Mint. It features a globe with a map that includes Europe in relation to parts of Africa and Asia. Radiating lines from the globe represent Europe's outreach and influence in global trade and diplomacy. The denomination, €5, is displayed prominently across the left side of the design. This side of the coin symbolizes the euro's ambition to serve as a strong, unified currency for an economically integrated Europe. The design combines global perspective with a practical layout that facilitates easy recognition and acceptance across all euro-using nations. Physical characteristics. The 2010 Italian 5-cent coin is made from copper-plated steel, which gives it a reddish appearance and a magnetic quality, making it distinguishable from higher denomination coins. It has a diameter of 21.25 millimeters, a thickness of 1.67 millimeters, and weighs 3.92 grams. The coin's edge is smooth, a common feature for lower denomination euro coins, helping to differentiate it from coins with milled or patterned edges. Its lightweight and small size make it convenient for use in everyday transactions, vending machines, and public transportation systems. The choice of copper plating serves both aesthetic and practical purposes. It resists corrosion and gives the coin a distinctive color that aids in quick identification, mintage, and circulation. The 2010 5-cent euro coin was issued for regular circulation by the Istituto Poligrafico e Zecca dello Stato, Italy's official state mint. Like other low-denomination coins, the 5-cent is produced in very large quantities, often tens or hundreds of millions per year, to ensure a steady supply for daily commerce. In 2010, there were no special commemorative versions of the 5-cent coin issued by Italy, and there are no known variants or significant mint errors associated with this year. As a result, it is considered very common and easily found in circulation throughout Italy and in other Eurozone countries. Its availability and widespread use mean that it holds no special value for most collectors, unless it is found in uncirculated or proof condition. Collector's value and numismatic interest. In terms of numismatic interest, the 2010 Italy 5-cent coin is generally only sought by collectors working to complete year-by-year euro sets. For example, collectors who aim to assemble a full set of Italian euro coins from each year would need this coin to complete their 2010 entry. However, the coin's value on the collector's market remains at or very near face value unless it is in pristine, mint state, MS, condition or part of a proof set. Proof coins are specially struck using polished dies and planchets to create a mirror-like surface, and they are sold directly by the Italian mint in limited quantities. A proof version of this coin would be more valuable to collectors, especially if preserved in its original packaging. Still, given its extremely high mintage and absence of rare errors, the 2010 Italian 5-cent coin is not considered rare or especially valuable in the numismatic world. Even in uncirculated condition, its market value usually does not exceed a few euros. That said, coins of this type can still serve as educational tools or interesting additions to a euro coin collection, offering insights into the national design choices of each member state legal tender and public use. Like all euro coins, the 2010 Italy 5-cent coin is legal tender throughout the eurozone, meaning it can be used in all 20 countries that have adopted the euro. This includes countries like France, Germany, Spain, the Netherlands, Portugal, and others. It can be used for purchases, given as change, and accepted by vending machines and parking meters throughout these countries. Despite growing discussions in some eurozone countries about eliminating smaller denomination coins, particularly 1 and 2 cent coins, the 5-cent coin remains in active circulation and continues to serve an important function in day-to-day transactions, especially in Italy, where prices are often still calculated to the nearest cent. Symbolic and cultural relevance. Although it is small in size and face value, the 2010 Italy 5-euro-cent coin reflects a much larger narrative of national identity, cultural pride, and continental unity. The inclusion of the Colosseum, a monument to both ancient innovation and historical endurance, serves as a reminder of Italy's foundational role in European civilization. The coin brings this grand historical imagery into everyday life, giving ordinary citizens a chance to carry a piece of Italy's past in their pockets. Meanwhile, the shared European side underscores Italy's commitment to the European project and its economic integration within a broader union. Top 3. The 2005 Italy 5-euro-cent coin is part of the standard euro coin series issued by the Italian Republic, Repubblica Italiana, and represents a compelling intersection between ancient heritage and modern European integration. Though it holds a low face value, this small copper-plated coin is a testament to Italy's commitment to preserving its cultural identity while participating in the unified monetary system of the European Union. First introduced in 2002 when Italy transitioned from the lira to the euro, the 5-cent coin, like other denominations in the euro system, bears a dual design, a common European side and a national side unique to each member state. The 2005 edition is a standard circulation coin, minted in large numbers by the Istituto Poligrafico e Zecca dello Stato, Italy's national mint, and continues the theme of showcasing Italian heritage through architecture and symbolism. Design. Celebrating the Colosseum and Roman heritage, the most prominent and defining feature of the 2005 Italian 5-cent coin is its reverse design, which displays the Colosseum, Colosseo, one of the most iconic monuments of ancient Rome. Built under the Flavian emperors in the 1st century AD, the Colosseum is a massive amphitheater that once seated tens of thousands of spectators who came to witness gladiatorial games, public spectacles, and dramas based on classical mythology. The Colosseum is not only an enduring symbol of Roman engineering prowess but also a cultural icon representing the foundations of Western civilization. On the coin, the Colosseum is artistically rendered with attention to its elliptical structure and the iconic rows of arches. While the design is necessarily simplified due to the small surface area of the coin, it captures the essence of this historical wonder in miniature form. Above and around the Colosseum are 12 stars, arranged in a circle to represent the European Union, signifying Italy's integration within the broader European community. To the left of the image is the monogram RI, which stands for Repubblica Italiana. Beneath the image is the year of mintage, 2005, while to the right are the small initials LDS, referring to Luciana da Simone, the Italian artist and engraver responsible for the design. Her work on the coin exemplifies the blending of classical and contemporary aesthetics in Italian numismatics. Obverse. The Eurozone's shared identity. The obverse side of the 2005 5-cent coin follows the standardized design common to all 5-cent coins in the Eurozone, created by Luc Louix, a designer from the Royal Belgian Mint. This side of the coin is pan-European in its theme and presentation. It features a globe highlighting Europe in relation to Africa and parts of Asia, reflecting the global reach and significance of the euro as an international currency. Radiating lines extend outward from the globe, symbolizing connectivity, communication, and economic interdependence. The denomination 5 euro cent is inscribed to the left of the globe in bold, clear font. The background lines converge toward the globe in a radial pattern, giving the impression of movement and energy. This design was intended to convey the unity and forward momentum of the European Union, projecting both the strength and dynamism of the single currency system. Physical specifications. The 2005 Italy 5-cent coin adheres to the standard technical specifications for euro coins of this denomination. It is composed of copper-plated steel, a material choice that provides both corrosion resistance and magnetic properties, an important feature for sorting mechanisms in vending and parking machines. The copper coating gives the coin its distinctive reddish-brown color. The coin has a diameter of 21.25 millimeters, a thickness of 1.67 millimeters, and a weight of 3.92 grams. Its smooth edge differentiates it from other higher-value coins in the euro system, which often have milled or segmented edges. These specifications ensure consistency across all Eurozone countries, allowing coins to be used interchangeably throughout Europe. The lightweight nature and size of the coin make it convenient for small purchases and everyday use, especially in countries like Italy, where precise cent denominations are still commonly used in cash transactions, mintage, and circulation. In 2005, Italy issued the 5 euro cent coin as part of its annual coinage for general circulation. The mintage was relatively high, in keeping with the practical demand for lower denomination coins. The Italian mint typically produces tens of millions of these coins each year to ensure there is an ample supply for circulation. There were no commemorative editions or known variations of the 5-cent coin released by Italy in 2005, making this issue a standard circulation coin rather than a collectible rarity. Because of its widespread use, most examples of the 2005 5-cent coin are found in circulated condition and do not carry any significant numismatic value. However, uncirculated specimens, especially those included in official mint sets or proof sets, may be of interest to coin collectors seeking to complete a full year-by-year euro coin collection. In such cases, the coin's value could rise modestly, particularly if it remains in pristine condition without scratches, wear, or discoloration. Legal tender and Eurozone. Use. The 2005 Italian 5 euro cent coin is legal tender throughout the Eurozone, meaning it can be used in all countries that have adopted the euro. This includes nations such as Germany, France, Spain, the Netherlands, Portugal, Austria, and more. The coin's acceptance across borders is a central feature of the euro currency system, aimed at simplifying trade, travel, and economic activity across Europe. Despite being one of the lowest value coins, the 5-cent denomination still plays a functional role in pricing and change giving, particularly in Italy and other Eurozone countries that have not adopted rounding rules, which eliminate 1 and 2 cent coins. In Italy, where exact pricing is often still maintained down to the cent, the 5-cent coin remains active and relevant in everyday transactions. Collector interest and rarity. The 2005 Italy 5-cent coin is not considered rare and is commonly found in circulation across the Eurozone. For the average coin collector, this coin holds limited standalone value unless it is part of a broader collection. However, serious euro coin collectors, particularly those who seek complete year sets from all euro-using countries, would include the 2005 Italian 5 cent as part of a full Italian euro set. The only variants of note would be those in mint condition, or those struck as part of official proof sets, which the Italian Mint releases annually in limited quantities. No significant minting errors have been reported for the 2005 edition of this coin, and it lacks the low mintage figures or design anomalies that typically drive collector interest and secondary market premiums. Nevertheless, it remains a valued component of Italy's euro coin series and an important piece for educational, historical, and numismatic purposes. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe our my channel for more videos.